On Tuesday, October 3, 2023, overall the markets today were down. The Dow Jones was down almost 431 points, minus 1.29%, to finish the day at 33,002.38. The NASDAQ was down almost 249 points, minus 1.87%, to finish the day at 13,059.47. The S&P 500 was down almost 59 points, minus 1.37%, to finish the day at 4,229.45. House ousts Kevin McCarthy as Speaker, a first in United States history. Expect a downward bias in the markets for the next 24 hours. Expect a risk-off environment the next 24 hours where the Australian dollar will have a strong bias to the downside and the United States dollar will have a strong upwards bias. The strongest currency pair over the next 24 hours with a strong downward bias will be the Australian dollar. The United States dollar followed in second place with a downward bias the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Remember, this information is not trade advice but to be used for educational purposes only. Good trading. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.